Hey guys, it's Tanner, your skincare lead from Sephora St. John's, and today I'm going to be showing you my current nighttime routine for smoothness and clarity. So if you want to learn how to maintain smooth and clear skin, just keep watching. Okay guys, so we are going to jump right in using the Sephora Collection Cleansing and Exfoliating Wipes in coconut water. These are rinse-free cleansing wipes that remove makeup and other impurities from the skin. Each is infused with a different active ingredient to address targeted skin concerns. The coconut water wipes cleanse while soothing, relaxing, and softening and won't strip the surface of the skin. Okay, next we're going to be going in for a double cleanse with the Biossance Squalane plus Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. Apply 1 pump onto dry skin. This is an antioxidant-rich cleansing oil that gently removes long-wear makeup and leaves the skin with a beautiful, healthy look and feel. The lightweight oil lifts away makeup and impurities and then rinses completely clean with water. It's formulated with sugarcane-derived, sustainable squalane oil. It helps to keep the skin hydrated and feeling fresh. This formula is dermatologist-tested, ophthalmologist-tested, and non-comedogenic, which makes it the perfect formula for keeping the skin smooth and clarified. Massage and make sure you rinse thoroughly. Okay guys, so for our treatment step, we're going to be going in with one of my absolute favorites, and this is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Don't forget to shake this bad boy up so the ingredients dispense evenly, and apply just 1 pump to clean skin at night. So this is a 12% alpha hydroxy acid plus beta hydroxy acid night serum that refines the skin to reveal a smoother and more radiant complexion. This high-tech gel resurfaces dull skin, lifting dead skin cells away by gently dissolving the glue that holds them to the surface. The results are greater clarity and a smoother, more even-looking complexion. Okay, so next for the eyes, we're going to be going in with the Lancome Advanced Genifique Eye Cream. This is a fresh, lightweight eye gel cream to improve dark circles, hydrate, and smooth the eye area. It features a lightweight, gel-like texture that blends into the eye area with a soft, velvety finish and helps to strengthen and protect the skin's moisture barrier around the delicate eye. Don't forget to use your ring finger for application. Use small tapping motions around the orbital bone, avoiding the lid to prevent oversaturation. Okay, and lastly, we'll be going in with the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. So this is a concentrated 30% hyaluronic acid cream that transforms atmospheric vapor into fresh, pure water, providing your skin with a continuous burst of intense hydration that can last up to 72 hours. It attracts and retains up to 1,000 times its weight in water from moisture in the atmosphere, helping to replenish the skin and make it appear more supple, full, and smooth. So with continual use, I have really noticed a huge difference in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and a lot of texture that is visibly reduced. It leaves a silky, hydrated, and more youthful looking complexion. Okay guys, so that is it. It is super quick and easy, and we're able to keep the skin smooth and clear. So I hope you love this tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments below and I will definitely answer back. And don't forget to like and subscribe as well. So thanks guys, I will definitely see you soon.